Imagine yourself living the lifestyle of your desire, living in your dream home, taking your children to the best schools, and effortlessly affording a high standard of living, secure in the knowledge that you will always have enough money to meet your needs. Is this really possible, or is it just a dream? Well, it's a reality for those who have achieved financial freedom. They don't worry about money matters and don't agonize over every financial decision. They have come out of modern day slavery, that job that pays them a salary but keeps them always busy and limits them from spending time with loved ones and truly enjoying their lives. However, most people don't know what financial freedom is and why it's truly important, and as a result, they lack the motivation to strive for financial freedom. But this changes today. Hello, I'm Manyara Kirago, and I have been a personal financial professional for the past 2 decades. In this video, I will tell you what financial freedom really is and why it's so important. By the end of the video, you will have the reason and the motivation to take determined steps towards a life you live without worrying about money, as it will be already taken care of. If you need help to ensure that you get the best outcome with your finances, I am available for your support. Please check out my do-it-yourself online course, my one-on-one financial freedom coaching, and the Eternity Real Estate program from the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share it with anybody who you think may benefit from it. Also ring the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. So let's get started. First, let's understand what financial freedom is. When people are asked about financial freedom, they say it means having a comfortable lifestyle. Some say it means living a life free of debt, while others say it means owning a home to live a peaceful life. Some even say financial freedom means to be able to go on vacation whenever one wants. However, if you ask me, I would answer it in one single line. Financial freedom is a state where you no longer need to work to sustain your lifestyle. In other words, when you achieve financial freedom, you have sufficient assets that bring income every month and generate wealth for you. Because this income is more than your monthly expenses, you can reinvest it, ultimately multiplying your money again and again. This results in building wealth, and that gives you security and freedom to live life on your own terms. You will have enough financial resources to sustain your desired lifestyle without relying on conventional employment or self-employment. This means having the financial capability to cover your expenses and pursue your interests and live life according to your own terms without the burden of financial obligations. Now let's understand why financial freedom is so important. Number one, it is the independence to live and work on your own terms. Financial independence gives you the power to shape your life and career according to your own desires. When your passive income from investments and savings covers your expenses, you have the freedom to determine how you work, who you work with, and for how long. You even have the choice not to work at all because all your decisions have been liberated from financial restrictions. Released from the restrictions of employers and job contracts, you have more leverage in molding your professional path. Salary becomes less critical, allowing you to prioritize aspects of your work that truly matter to you, such as flexible work schedules, generous vacation time, decision-making autonomy, or the type of projects you engage in. Without the financial strain of relying solely on a salary, you can pursue career avenues that align with your values and lifestyle preferences. Number two, reduced stress and anxiety. Imagine that today you are told to leave your job, but you do not depend on the salary you earn from it. And whatever you need, money for it is available. Isn't that one of life's heaviest weights lifted off your shoulders? Financial freedom does exactly this for you. It relieves you from the constant worry and anxiety associated with meeting basic needs and unexpected expenses. When you work, you're actually breaking your back for every shilling you're making. However, once you achieve financial freedom, you experience greater peace of mind, reduced anxiety, and increased emotional resilience. You get mental clarity, productivity, and contentment in the absence of financial worries. Financial freedom lays the groundwork for heightened happiness and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your life. That's the dream you deserve, but have been ignoring due to continuous financial obligations. Number 3, security for the future. Nothing scares a working man or woman more than the uncertainty of the future. What happens if the job is gone? You don't have money to pay for the mortgage or the kids' school fees. And what if an emergency hits you? That's a nightmare. However, financial freedom acts as a safety net for unforeseen circumstances and future planning. With financial freedom, you can save for retirement, establish an emergency fund, and ensure financial security for yourself and for your loved ones. Your financial future is all set because you have wealth at hand. This allows you to prepare for unexpected expenses, medical emergencies, or job loss without facing significant financial strain. Through proactive financial management and strategic planning, you attain peace of mind knowing you're financially equipped to handle whatever challenges life may bring. Number 4, generational wealth. There are 2 types of people in the world: those who inherit wealth and those who struggle to build wealth they can pass on. The first type of people who inherit wealth have leverage because they don't have to worry about money and can focus on more important things in their lives. Now, if you did not inherit wealth, that's fine. Through financial freedom, you can generate wealth for yourself and pass this on to the next generation. You can be your children's fate changer, and they can start their lives from the very point that you left. This results in creation of generational wealth that keeps growing. By accumulating wealth and assets over time, you can pass on financial stability, resources, and wisdom to future generations. This involves investments, real estate holdings, or business ventures that can continue to grow and provide financial stability for your descendants. By instilling solid financial principles and values, you can set your family on a path towards sustained success and empower them to achieve their own financial independence. Number 5, early retirement. What if you could retire with a guarantee of receiving a steady income? Well, that's exactly what financial freedom offers. Now, you don't have to be 60 to finally get the time to enjoy your life. In recent years, financial freedom has brought attention to the FIRE or Financial Independence Retire Early movement. In this, you own sufficient assets that bring in more income than your expenses, so the rest is reinvested. Owning assets actually shortens the time you need to work because your assets are now earning money for you. This results in the creation of wealth and an income stream that not only covers your expenses, but also finances your lifestyle. That's the moment when you can quit your job and enjoy an early retirement. Number 6, taking care of your family and enjoying their company. Well, that's the benefit only those who have spent all their lives making ends meet can understand. In most cases, financial obligations forces one to continuously focus on working, doing several jobs sometimes, or bringing the work stress home. All this adds a blind spot where children and family cannot be seen. Perhaps they do not appear as a priority because sustaining survival is the only focus. However, financial freedom allows you to prioritize spending quality time with your family and savoring meaningful moments with your loved ones. Unlike being chained to a job solely for a paycheck, where you might have to sacrifice family time to work for work commitments, financial freedom gives you the flexibility to be present for the important milestones and experiences. You can fully engage yourselves in the joy of witnessing your children play and grow and cherish intimate moments with your family without the pressure of financial strain. By prioritizing family bonds and relationships, financial independence empowers you to create lasting memories and nurture strong connections with your loved ones. Number 7, long-term planning instead of immediate survival. When money is the problem, survival is the only goal. However, when money is no longer a problem, you focus on long-term goals you never thought about before. Perhaps you wanted to pursue a profession that did not pay well, so you had to give it up. Now that you have financial freedom, you can pursue it because you won't be doing it for the money. You might want to plan where you would like to see yourself in the next 10 or 20 years, and your financial plans even after gaining financial freedom. You see, financial freedom liberates you from the constant pressure of securing income for basic needs, allowing you to focus on future plans. Instead of being tied to paycheck living, financial independent people can concentrate on setting long-term goals and developing strategies to achieve them. This newfound freedom enables a more comprehensive decision-making approach, considering how choices impact future financial security and personal fulfillment. Being financially independent means breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle that often dictates immediate decisions. Instead of being tied down by the need to cover immediate expenses, you can focus on outlining long-term objectives and strategies. Did you already know about financial freedom and why it is so important? Tell me, what is your biggest reason for wanting to achieve financial freedom? In the comment section below, share your thoughts on the fact that financial freedom allows you to actually live your life instead of wasting it entirely on a 9-to-5 job. If you want to learn in more detail how you too can generate passive income so that you can finally gain financial freedom, then what you need to do is watch my free training, How to Grow Your Wealth and Attain Financial Freedom. Click the link in the description below and you will get immediate access to that training video. Click the link below and watch it now. Well, if you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for practical insights on financial freedom, personal finance, and financial literacy. Thank you for watching.